Hi, my name is Christopher Terry, CEO of iMarkets Live. And for the past 14 years, I've been sharing my expertise and my knowledge in helping traders and individuals across the globe become extremely successful in trading the Forex and futures markets. I'm going to show you one of our services in this video, one of the most powerful services in the industry that's ever hit. It's called our trade signal service. Basically duplicating or copying my work at a fraction of a second to your account. It's exciting. I'm going to explain to you some of the details about it, but the vision behind iMarkets Live and the vision behind this is the fact that I know most people want to be in the markets. They want to earn that trading income, have that trading lifestyle, but they don't have the time. And if you don't have the time to sit in front of your computer and trade all day, you can't participate in this fountain of wealth, this stream of money that continues to flow past us each and every day, and you're unable to tap into it. What I've done was I created an app, a software that plugs into the markets, that you, by working 1 minute a day to 2 minutes per day, just to turn it on, set it and forget it, can tap into this wealth of information, this stream of income, as we call it, this profits. I'm very excited to share something with you that nobody else has. It's unique to the industry of what we are doing. I've been in the industry for 14 years, training traders, training some of the most successful traders in the industry, and I've spoken at all the forums that you can think of. I've been in multiple books, magazines. I don't care about the accolades. What's important is that I'm here to help you change your life. I'm going to show you right now one of the services that we have. Is called the iMarkets Live Trade Signal Service. We use the NinjaTrader platform. NinjaTrader and iMarkets Live have partnered as educational partners in August 2014. They recognized the power of what we offer. We have an educational system that's second to none, but this service that I'm about to show you is going to change your life. Our trade signal service basically takes it from the trader to our server. And from our server, it goes to your desktop. And from this server to your desktop, you copy each and every one of our trades in the Forex and futures markets within a fraction of a second. It's an easy to install app. It takes literally 1 to 2 minutes to install it and set it up. It's absolutely phenomenal. There's nothing else like it. Just so you understand, we do not have any access to anybody's account. We do not trade for you, and we do not guide you and tell you exactly how much to use in terms of trade positions. We don't get a performance fee. We do not get a commission or any of that. All we do is provide a monthly service to you. And let's take a look at it now. So what we have represented on the bottom is the master account. This is actually on what we call a VPS. And let me just move everything so we can see this a little bit better. Okay, here we go. Sorry about that. This is on what's called a VPS, or what we call a virtual private server. It's literally a computer in the cloud. You can just see at the bottom here, you can see the little start button. And this is a way to put your services 24 hours a day, 7 days a week in the cloud, and it's completely protected. So we have all of the state-of-the-art services that's needed. On the bottom is the master, and on the top is the client. So on the right here, you see ES 1214. Well, at the time, this is the S&P E-mini futures. And what's phenomenal about the S&P E-mini futures is you're leveraging nearly 250 to 1 on your money. It's absolutely amazing. So here we go. Ready? When I buy down here, when we buy, it shows up on the client side instantaneously. See that? We got the same price fill. When we buy, you buy It's that fast. It's that amazing. I don't care if you are in Canada, Russia, China, New York City, it doesn't matter. When our system executes, you execute. When we sell, you sell instantaneously. So this is the client, this is the master. We buy, you buy. Instantaneous. When we sell, you sell. It's that fast. Let's take a look at some of the performance that our members have enjoyed by doing our hands-free trade signal service. When we buy, they're in with us, and when we sell, they're out with us. Exciting. Let's take a look. Let's first take a look at some of the charts and how it looks on the charts when the client gets the signals. So when we're buying and selling, you are duplicating everything we are doing exactly. When we buy, you buy. When we sell, you sell. Here was a trade that it wasn't a big trade. It was a little entry here, an exit, and it was copied within a fraction of a second from the master account. And as we continue to scroll along, we see more trades, and we see selling up here and buying down here and other trades. Hands-free, 2 minutes a day to earn profits. Now, all this doesn't make sense to you. Why would it make sense to you, right? You don't need to look at this. All you need to look is your account and see how things worked out. We're even going to show you what all this jibbly-jobbly is here on this particular day, and it's September 18th when we did this video. Let's take a look at the actual account. Okay, right at the bottom here, you see the actual trades that went on in this particular area. Let's just take a look. You can see there was a few trades and it had a net profit. This is a demo account, obviously. All right, but let's take a look at each and every day. These are real trades that have been going into our live trading and educational room that are also given to our trade signal service. So it goes to two areas. These are actual trade ideas that were provided to our members. So let's take it back to, let's just go 7 days, the 9th of September. All right, and let's take a look at each day and how we did. And let's just do a total calculation. So on September 9th, they made $137.50. Now this is based off of a $5,000 minimum trading account, but not bad. What's $137 in terms of percentage on $5,000? Does your bank even pay that? Of course not. So this is trading. This is not investing. And of course, there's risk to trading. We all know that. There's obviously risk, and there's no guarantee of future results. But here's what we did on the 10th. 62 bucks. Now, somebody may think $62 on 5,000, that's nothing. That's over 1% in a day. What's the bank paying you in a whole year? Think about that. Let's check out the 11th on Thursday, September 11th. Wow, we made money on September 11th also. Our members and traders made money on September 11th. That's exciting. Let's take a look at what happened on the 12th on Friday. Now that day was real quiet, but we still made a profit of $87.50. You do the calculation on what kind of percent return just in one day on your cash. And the reason you're doing it on the cash is really you're leveraging. See, $5,000 is leveraging. When we're doing two positions within that, we're leveraging $200,000 of money, similar to real estate. You put money down on a house, you're putting $5,000 on a home. The home is worth $2,000, and over the course of a year, it goes up 10%. You made $20,000 on your home on your $5,000 deposit, you see? Let's go check out the 15th. $162 in net profits. Now we had some losses, but it happens. Happens, we lose during the day. Sometimes we lose a day or two or three. It doesn't matter. Overall, it's where the account is going. So in this particular day, $162 worth of profit. Let's look at the 16th. $100. These are actual trades that were given to our live trading and educational service and for our trade signal service members. How about the 17th? I know some of you are thinking, man, this is too good to be true. It's hard work. Our traders, our back end is dedicated to making sure our clients are successful in getting the best trades that are possible. All we want you to do is set it and forget it hands-free each and every day. On the 17th, $125. And let's just go to today, at the time of the taping, $162. Okay? $162. Now there is no 19th, so we can't go forward past there, obviously, right? But let's take it from the 18th. Let's just go back from that 9th that we came up with and hit generate. Nearly $1,000 in profits. $1,000 in profits. Now this is based on the S&P E-mini futures, but we do Forex spot market, we do Forex futures. Okay, and I'm going to show you another VPS because on the master accounts and the client accounts, we can separate everything. So here is another VPS, and this is only showing the Forex futures. All right, this is all it's showing. All right, and this was generated, if you look at the executions during the past week, it's only showing the Australian dollar, the euro, and the Australian dollar. So we see here during the course. So when we look at both the Forex and futures and the futures on Forex, over $1,000 on roughly a $5,000 account. I'm not going to give you the percentage, but it's pretty easy to calculate. And you may be thinking, what are futures? What are you talking about? I'm going to give it to you in a nutshell. The S&P 500 index is the biggest index. 500 stocks. As you see here, it's taken Google and Amazon and all the biggest stocks and they made one index out of it. And from that one index, they created a tradable instrument. It's basically connected to a $6 trillion market cap. So there's plenty of liquidity, plenty of money that flows around that we could tap into to attempt to make a profit each and every day. If you're excited about what we just presented you, and you're excited to take a step further, then go to imarketslive.com or the link that somebody referred you to and take a 14-day trial. Let me show you how simple it is. Now right up here at the top, if somebody had given you their link, so we're using the company link for demonstration purposes, but you go to their link and it's going to bring you to our website, iMarketsLive. And from there, right here, you're going to see Get Access Now. Now, if the website area has changed, you basically still want to go for the 14-day trial access. And we have other information. If you want to learn a little bit more about the product, you can go check out the Trade Signal Service area right here. Click on that button, and it's going to give you all the information you need. So if you want to research a little bit more, you're more than welcome to do so. Click on Get Access Now, and what will happen is a video is going to start playing.
What are you doing?
And from that video, below, you're going to have your full name, your cell phone number, whatever country you are in. You could just, right here, we're in the United States, so I'm going to click on this, and you just type in your number. and you're going to submit. When you do that, you're going to get a code. So let's just hit submit, and we're just going to put Chris. Now, when that code comes, you're going to put the code in, whatever the code may be. 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 4. You're going to get a code. And after you get that code, it's going to take you to another video, which is going to lead you to your 14-day trial. Check out our full services for 14 days, our live educational room, our trade signal service for futures, for Forex. Get all the webinars, get everything, the back office. Really check us out, and we're going to show you and prove to you we are first-class operation providing the best services in the industry. Thank you very much for listening to this. My name is Christopher Terry. Have yourself an awesome day, week, month, and year.